Welcome to our teacher tutorial on eSpark's adaptive learning path. My name is Jess. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to our support team using the blue chat in the bottom right corner of your eSpark teacher dashboard. eSpark is made of two main learning options, a student-led learning option called the adaptive learning path, which is our focus for today, and a teacher-led learning option called assignments. The adaptive learning path is a no prep option that automatically differentiates for your students. Let's dive into how it works. To access the adaptive learning path, students need to scroll down to the section called My Quests and select reading or math. Each quest in the adaptive learning path focuses on one skill. The first time students in 1st to 5th grade access their adaptive learning path, eSpark will automatically show them a brief introduction video and then begin their placement quiz, which will be a handful of questions to determine their initial starting point. All other grade levels, so kindergarten and below and 6th grade and above, will begin their path right at their rostered grade level. If your school uses NWEA MAP or STAR assessments, we can also sync your students' data to determine the best starting point for them and ensure they work on the skills that they need the most support with. So the adaptive learning path is known as quests, and quest again is student-friendly language for standard. So one quest typically covers one standard. They're aligned to standards from pre-K all the way to 8th grade, and each one takes about an hour on average to complete. We don't expect students to complete a quest in one sitting. It will always pick up where they left off. The experience of a quest will be slightly different for students based on their grade level. Students in 2nd grade and below will have an entirely guided experience, including a progress bar at the bottom, as seen here. They will also have audio support turned on automatically. Students in 3rd grade and above have more of a choose your own adventure experience seen here. They will see islands for each activity in a quest, and for the most part, they can work on them in any order they'd like. So the experience matures with students as they get older. Now let's review the activities typically involved in a quest. Every quest will start with a pre-quiz to test students' prior knowledge on the skill. Then there will be an instructional video that explicitly teaches the skill. From there, they spend the majority of the time doing practice games and activities. There will also be interactive questions throughout to check for understanding and provide feedback along the way. At the end of a quest, there will be a post quiz, and this is students' opportunity to demonstrate growth. They're aiming for a score of 80% or higher to demonstrate mastery. And when they do that, they earn a high five celebration from our character Rocky. So students are aiming to earn high fives, and we encourage you to celebrate them when they achieve a high five. Students that score below 80% will still get a fist bump to celebrate the end of their quest. And this is where the adaptive learning path adapts for students. When there's a pattern of earning high fives, eSpark's adaptive learning path will start to challenge them with higher grade level skills. And if they're consistently struggling, eSpark will meet them where they're at with lower grade level skills for students to work on. There's also an optional activity at the end of the quest. This is a feature that you can turn on or off from the settings in your teacher dashboard, and it's where students can record videos of themselves synthesizing what they learned in the quest. This is a great opportunity for a formative assessment and for students to show you what they know. It's a strong opportunity for you to share feedback. You can watch student videos from the Student Showcase tab in your dashboard and check out our support center to see helpful resources to set your class up for success with recording. Thanks for learning about eSpark's adaptive learning path. We're excited for your students to start their next quest. Happy eSparking!